Hello everyone, welcome to the computer class. Today our topic is input and output devices. We will study these devices one by one. First input devices and then output devices. As computer devices can be classified into input and output devices. First of all, input device. An input device sends data to the computer. For example, keyboard, mouse, and microphone. All of these are input devices which are used to send data to the computer. Next is output device. An output device shows the results of data that has been processed. The data that has been processed by the computer, it displays on the monitor screen. So what are the output devices? Monitor, printer and speakers are some output devices. Now we will see the different input devices and study them one by one. The very first input device is touch screen. As the name suggests, touch screen. We have to touch the screen with the finger. A touch screen is a display screen. You can use your fingers to touch items on a touch screen. It responds to your touch. Whenever you touch the screen, it responds to your touch. Touch screens are commonly seen in mobile phones and ATMs. The another input device is touchpad. A touchpad is an input device which is found on laptops and some keyboards. When you move your finger on a touchpad, the mouse pointer moves on the screen. When you move your finger on the touchpad, जैसे आप अपनी finger touchpad पे move करते हो, the mouse pointer moves on the screen. For example, when you click with a mouse on the screen, the pointer moves here and there. Also, two buttons are given below the touchpad, जिनमें से one is left button and second is right button. You can click left or right as you do with the mouse. The next input device is graphics tablet. As you can have a look at the picture on the screen, a graphics tablet is used to draw with a pen. A graphics tablet is an input device जिस पे हम पेन से draw कर सकते हैं. The computer converts the drawings into digital form and displays them on the screen. जैसे ही आप पेन के साथ टच पैड पे ड्रॉ करोगे, your drawings will be converted into a digital form by your system and it will be displayed on the screen. Another input device is joystick. As you can see in the image, joystick looks like this. A joystick is used to move the pointer on the screen. ये पॉइंटर को स्क्रीन पे मूव करती है. इट इज़ मोस्टली यूज्ड टू प्ले गेम्स. इसको गेम्स को प्ले करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. Another commonly used input device is scanner. As the name suggests, scanner. Scanner means it scans something. It can scan a document or it can scan a picture. A scanner is used to input printed text or pictures into a computer. Scanner is used to input printed text or pictures into a computer. The scanned document is displayed on the monitor. Flatbed and barcode scanners are commonly used scanners. Let's see what are flatbed and barcode scanners. A flatbed scanner is shown in the image on the screen. A flatbed scanner has a flat glass surface on which the document to be scanned is placed. As you can see in the image on the screen, its surface is flat, which is made up of glass on which the document to be placed for scanning. This is a barcode scanner. A barcode scanner is used for reading printed barcodes. You would have seen this device on shops and shopping malls. This is used in shops to read the price of a product. And this is the most commonly used device. Digital camera is the another input device, as you would have already seen this device, because in this digital world almost everybody is having such kind of devices at home. A digital camera is used to capture photos and videos. These photos and videos are stored on a removable chip called a memory. जितनी भी फोटोज़ और वीडियोस हम क्लिक करते हैं या कैप्चर करते हैं, ऑल ऑफ दोज वीडियोस एंड फोटोज़ आर स्टोर्ड इन अ मेमोरी. वो मेमोरी में स्टोर की जाती है, विच इज़ कॉल्ड अ मेमोरी कार्ड. You can connect the camera to a computer and transfer the photos and videos. आप कैमरा को कंप्यूटर के साथ कनेक्ट करके फोटोज़ एंड वीडियोज़ को ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हो कंप्यूटर में. Another mostly known input device is webcam. A webcam, short for a web camera. It is a video camera used to send live pictures to a computer. Many desktop computers and laptops have a built-in web camera. For example, if you having a laptop at your home, you would have must seen an inbuilt camera in your laptop. That is also called as webcam or a web camera. Next input device is microphone. A microphone is used to input sound such as voice and music. It means we can give our voice and music as input. So we have done with the topic. I hope everything is clear to you all. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you very much.